Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am doing a shein haul. I really hope the lighting's not too bad because I'm multitasking because you know what? Sometimes when I'm in the mood to do styling hauls on TikTok, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do a shein haul and do the exact same. I can't be arsed. Like, I know that sounds really mean, but like, I actually can't because Kylie Jenner perfume. It reminds me of, like, you know, celebrities' perfumes back in the day. Yeah, I just can't be asked to like get everything out because I proper style it. So I thought I'd do a double whammy. I'd do my TikTok and my shein haul on YouTube at the same time. If you like shein hauls, this is like mainly holiday stuff with a couple extra bits in there. But yeah, I hope you like everything. I hope you like how I've styled it all. And yeah, let's get into it. We've got outfit number 1 on. I've got to be so careful. If I was to actually wear this out, which I really want to, I'd have to kind of find a way to shut her. But can you see how wet I look? I love a body glow. Guys, I feel like this angle is really not that good, but I feel like you can see I've got so much body glow on since going to Palm Springs. I'm using this Primark one. Looks like shite because I've literally scraped the life out of it. It is so sticky though. Well, not sticky, but like if you got hair down, it's going to stick to it. But yeah, how unreal is this dress? I'm thinking like Ibiza vibes. I did just have it on with these sunnies. Put these on. See the vibe? Ibiza festival. Do what you want with that. Tan cowboy boots. Hopefully you can see. So annoying that this camera lens is so super tiny, you really can't see. Love this so much. It's like a mesh material. I love anything with like excess draping. I think it's so nice. Them bracelets are going to annoy me. But yeah, love this. Not the best to show you in right now because I can barely move. Sorry guys, you've probably moved. I just shut the door in case anyone came home. I've just put some nipple covers on, so don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. But how nice is this like psychedelic boho top? I think I've got it on. A bit wonky. So nice. I also have this skirt from Shein. Boots are also Shein as well, but I got them a long time ago. This is the next outfit. All from Shein. Even the bangles are. Do I wear a sunny? And are we thinking cowboy hat? Absolutely not. Get rid of that. Yes, sick. Ibiza vibes. So this is the next outfit. This little mesh top bandeau with these rings on. Super cute. How about there? I know you've got the light in the way, but nowhere else to go. So I've got this super cute dress, which I think I'm gonna have to get tailored, which is really annoying. Or I could just... No, it's just so long. I don't know why. I love this so much. This is coming on holiday with me. So, hopefully you can see it with the light. It's got coverage here, but I do have nipple covers on just in case. Chucked on a high-waist bikini. I do have leopard print. Guys, can you see how long this is? I've got leopard print sandals on. Not that you can see. And, of course, my bangles. I think I'm going to wear my hair like this on holiday when I wear this. Because I go on holiday June. What bag should I put on with this for the vid? Do we think? Do you guys like this type of video as well? Like, because it's kind of behind the scenesy and I'm styling it as well. We could do this little bag. So if you are petite, this is probably going to be too long for you. If you're tall though, you're going to love this. I think it's super nice. Do I need more glow? Let's go! Film my clip. Also, if you're a content creator, put on some tunes while you're doing this because it just gets you in the mood. Like, I'm filming loads of different videos in one, and one of them's Ibiza, and I'm like, I feel like I'm in Ibiza. I'm playing Peggy Goo, by the way. I actually saw her at Coachella, and I think she's sick. Little DJ number. This dress is just stunning, isn't it? I think it complements my tan, although you can see my red pants. That's not a good look, but you know what? Should I change that? I haven't got anything here right now. I don't know, think about that in a minute. I love this colour with my tan as well. Again, another one coming on holiday with me. It's just a mesh dress. As I said, I've got nipple covers on, but I don't think you need them. Black heels, if if you can see my feet. And then just a black bag. Yeah, black bag. I think it would be too much with anything else. Shein is killing it, don't you think? Like, this is just unbelievable. Coming on holiday with me, I'm gonna look fit. I am a lettuce. No, I actually love this. I really do. It's such a thick material as well. It's just very short. Very short. Just paired it with this gold bag. I don't know if you can see my shoes. I will show you them in a minute because they are from Shein. And I think they're just insane. I love them. This quality really surprised me. It's actually really thick, nice knitted material, but you're not going to be too hot on holiday. And like this pleating here, whoa, these heels are very high. This pleating here is very good quality, like super thick. I mean, if you can walk in heels, then good. You'd love these. How nice though. They are round toe, which I hate a round toe, but it's okay. The stones are just so cute. I mean, you'll see it on my TikTok anyway, but I did actually get them in the square toe version. They are a different gold. I don't like this though. That, ugly. This is the next one. I saw the nipple covers on, so it may look a bit weird. I love the bell sleeve. I think it's super cute. I'm not sure whether to tie this or not. I think I might leave it for the video, but these square toe ones are so much more comfortable. Them other ones are like, I just can't. But I'm not really a heel wearer, so yeah, there is a bit of bagginess here, but I don't really care. Just popped on a clutch, little gold clutch, again from Shein. Most of my accessories and stuff is from Shein, just because I love it. I love this dress with, there's a mirror there by the way, in case you're wondering where I'm looking, because I can't see in the viewfinder. But yeah, this colour, I think I was going to say, super flattering. I've styled this with heels, but I would wear this with boots as well, probably. Now this is probably one of the best things in the haul, and I feel like you all are going to be obsessed with. The colour of this, so nice. It puffs out at the perfect part. It's petite friendly, as you can see it's not too long. It doesn't come with shorts built in, which is a bit annoying, but I just need to invest in getting some white shorts just so I can wear it under things like this. I need a hairbrush. It's ribbed at the top, as you can see, and then it comes to the little puff ball. This style is so on trend at the moment, and I'm literally obsessed with it. I think it's so adorable. For the summer, it's going to be perfect. You can chuck on like a white denim jacket or just a blue one. It's cute for holiday and summer. I've just put on some white sandals and I had a white bag with it. Love this. Such an easy piece for holiday as well. This video is taking so long. It's now 12 o'clock. I think I started this at like 10:30, and it's just getting changed, but it does take a long time. So the top is from Shein. As you can see, it's this beautiful, like, oh, the sandal in the way, rhinestone halter neck with lots of body glow. I love the colour of this. I think it's so nice. I was going to wear like a fun skirt, but I thought we would just draw attention to the top. So I just popped on a denim skirt, tan cowboy boots, some bangles and a fan. Obviously I had sunglasses, a bag, whatever you want to do. But I think with a white lace skirt, this would look nice. You know the light... I haven't eaten today, so I'm like... Blah, blah, blah. You know the lace skirts I wore earlier, I think that would look lovely as well. Or like denim cowboy boots. There's a lot you can do with this top. I'm obsessed with this top. I think it's so nice. Such nice quality as well. And it is backless. And it's adjustable, so you can tie it, you know, just like a bikini. Tie it to your body to fit. Next outfit. So, bag, Shein again. The skirt's from Shein, the top's not. The top's from PLT. Don't like the bag with this, but I can't find my nude bag. I think it's under a pile of mess. And then just got these Gucci sandals on. I love this skirt. You know how I feel about skirt. I just feel safer in it. I feel like I'm not going to flash anyone. Yeah. It's got a texture on it, which I don't like. Like flowery. Can you see that? A bit weird. But love the colour. Great holiday staple. Summer staple. Can go with so much. I think to keep it neutral, you could either do white or... I wouldn't do black. I'd do like cream white. Yeah. Good little daytime outfit, going for lunch on holiday. But you can dress this up as well. I think this is just such a nice piece, and I will take all the skirts that come into my wardrobe because they are lifesavers. We still got so many outfits. I can't cope no more. This is the best thing to come on Shein. This skirt, love. I just had the fan and the sunglasses on, but I just took them off because I just paused the music. I've just popped on this little backless top. I did have a vest top on when I tried this yesterday, which I do like better, but oh well. I like how it kind of goes up here. I think that's quite nice. Just gives you a bit of leg. Bag from Shein as well. I've got this in gold already, but I've got the pink just because of the skirt. It's got pink in, tan cowboy boots, bangles, sleigh. So this is meant to be like a dupe for the Zara one, I'm assuming. Much better than the Zara one. I love this so much more. I'm going to get this tailored because it is a bit big for me, so I've tied it with a hairband at the back. I'm going to get shorts put into this as well. I absolutely love this. This for holiday, Ibiza, anything. You guys need this and it's so cheap. I've just remembered. Got my matcha up here. Next up, we've got this two-piece. This actually comes in so many colours on Shein. I was wearing a white bag and I've got some white sandals on. Gold bangles again. I'm trying to keep my hands so still. It's like this asymmetric top, so one shoulder out, one shoulder in. And it's mesh lined. Such nice material. Again, another piece coming on holiday. I feel like most of my holiday outfits are going to be from Shein, which is great because if you guys love them, they're affordable. How adorable is this, guys? Not much left to say. Oh, I would actually wear heels with this too. What should I put on next? I don't know. It's a fun little game, guys. What does she put on next? It's just a feeling that I won't leave behind. A little, I think this is a cover up, but I'm not 100% sure. It's a little bit big. Got a white bikini underneath. It is so short at the back because I've tied it, but if I untie it you can see it's a little bit big. Can you see? Like, it's just no shape to it, but that's fine. Super cute. It's got like slight sequins to it, but it's that like popcorn material. I love the colour, love this. You know how I feel about this. This is just, I think it just adds something. It was better when it was shorter, wasn't it? I had sunglasses on in the fan. But as I said, if you want to see like the full look, I mean you're seeing most of the full look in all of them, but if you want to see the full look, then obviously watch my TikTok. But yeah, so nice, guys. I'm so good at finding stuff on Shein. Slay the boots, light. It's really bright. It's just banger after banger, isn't it? This is so cute. I wish it was a bit longer so my feet weren't out, but you know, I don't mind. This dress has adjustable straps, which I'm so glad about. I've popped on some nipple covers because my boobs kept popping out. Little crochet neck rose. This is from Etsy. I've got a seller on there to make it into a necklace because she made these roses, but I was like, can you make this into like a choker? She did it. Slay. White bag, gold wedges again from Public Desire, white bikini bottom. Obsessed. Little crochet number. Can't go wrong on holiday. God, my holiday outfits are gonna slap. I mean, you guys would have seen them all, but Instagram hasn't. So love that. 9 out of 10, just wish it was a bit longer to get that 10 out of 10. Bit of a risky number. I think you need to get like an equivalent of an, I was about to say nappy pad. Nipple patch, but for your nun, because yeah, you can't wear with this and the wind blows, it's all over for you. But I love this. They have this in so many colours. I did order this in green a couple months ago, but I sent it back because I wasn't sure, but now it's been out of stock for so long. But I got the nude anyways. I think it just washes me out a bit, but I like how it's got a gap here. This is not for the faint-hearted. Guys, I need to go eat because I'm going to Lulu. Faint-hearted. Let's just put the next one on. Just cry. Next up, we've got this skirt. I've styled this different to what I originally wanted to. I originally wanted to wear like cowboy boots and make it more like Ibiza vibes, but I thought I'd make it more like dinnery drinks vibes. So it is a mesh skirt, so I'm not sure if it's meant to be a cover up or not, so bear that in mind. It's very short at the back. My bum is out right now, so yeah, maybe size up. I don't know. I love the draping. Oh no, I just stood on my little floof. My little floofy shoes, hopefully you can see them. And then I've just put on this vest. This is from, I want to say Zara. Little Prada vest. This bag on, just perfect for drinks, whether you're on holiday or not. But I would also wear like black cowboy boots, tan cowboy boots, switch up the top, wear a denim corset. I think that would look lovely. Next up, we've got more of a chill again. What do we think of this top? I wish it didn't bow out so much there. That was like tucked. I love the cinching here and then the floaty out, the halter neck. This is just the perfect holiday with linen trousers, sandals and a purse. You can do this for like lunch, or if you're doing like a little bit of shopping. I think it's super versatile because you're not going to get too hot. You're wearing linen trousers, sandals and a little top. It is actually backless. I wish I had a linen skirt to match this, so I could do like linen skirt or trousers. But either way, I think this is so beautiful and just like classy. I love this from Shein. More of a different style. It is more of an acquired taste as well, but I think it's stunning. Another adorable number. I feel like I look like a little maid from the, I don't know what century, to be honest. I just wish this was more cinched, you know. Just feel like it needs a bit of cinching. The pleating's so beautiful. The material isn't super thick. It's not see-through. It has the grippy things to grip it on. I just wish it was more cinched, but this is really nice. I think this is meant to be like a dupe for like House of CB one. Guys, these heels are so heavy and chunky. We're now doing more of a simple outfit. All of them have been very like holiday vibes, but this one's not. So the top is from Shein, bags from Shein. It did look white on the side, but it's actually grey. It's like a ribbed, flared out top. I just think it's so beautiful. I have paired this with some white heels, but I also think with some trainers you can dress it down. This is just such a versatile piece, and I wanted something in my wardrobe that will kind of switch things up, so I'm so excited to have this. I absolutely love it. I think it's so flattering, so comfortable. It's a soft ribbed material. It's not see-through. It flares out at the perfect everything, and I think the length gives it classy vibes, although obviously it's open, but still. This is the last outfit. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. So sunny. It's giving House of CB. I've just paired it with nude bag, nude heels. Love a court heel. Oh, I just wish it was like a perfect fit, and then it'd be great. I love the cut of this. So flattering. If you want an affordable dupe instead of House of CB, get it on Shein, because unreal. Again, it's from that Misura brand on Shein. Love it. So that was the end of my Shein haul. I hope you guys loved it. I've missed doing Shein hauls. Let me know if you want any more. I can certainly do more. Do you prefer this style, or do you prefer me to just hold it up and then, you know, talk? This is more of like a styling behind the scenes video. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.